In today's fast-paced world of medicines research and pharmacovigilance, staying ahead requires more than just knowledge. It demands hands-on experts, regulatory awareness, and a strong professional network. Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? Join us for an exclusive, comprehensive training program designed for researchers, healthcare professionals, and regulatory experts. This intensive program covers everything you need to excel in research and drug safety monitoring.
We are bringing together top experts in medicines research and pharmacovigilance to share real-world insights, hands-on skills, and strategies to drive impact in healthcare. It promises to be intellectual, engaging, and practical.
What can you expect? We'll take a deep dive into clinical research methods, pharmacovigilance essentials, risk management and drug regulations, professional development, roundtable discussions, engage with industry experts and thought leaders as we explore the future of research in Africa.
Don't miss this opportunity to gain edge-cutting knowledge, connect with experts, and elevate your career. Seats are limited. Register now.
We also invite sponsors and partners to support this impactful initiative. By sponsoring, you will be empowering the next generation of researchers.